Let's talk about Newton Process AI. Newton Process AI is a document-agnostic, AI-powered platform that not only classifies and extracts data from any document, but also streamlines entire business process, like record to report, procedure to pay, and order to cash. Its core capabilities are document-agnostic input, AI-powered classification, data extraction and validation, workflow and process automation, integration and analytics dashboard. It can be integrated with ERP, CRM, and any other form. Let's go to Newton Process AI. And this is the dashboard of Newton Process AI, which shows uploaded, AI extracted, submitted. And we choose to add new document. Choose a file, chooses a document, a container document, and extract. Here we can see the document. And when we click on Scan and Extract, all the fields from the PDF document will be extracted on the right-hand side of the page with the associated key and value. As you can see, all the value are filled in the document. Like if we click on Booking Reference here, we can see Booking Reference, the associated value, forwarder. This feature also lets you see the document and easy to use, so you can fastly do all the things. If you go on Newton AI Extracted, as you can, if you think some values are not accurate or some fields and values are missing, you can also add this from here. Like this is the unit. I can choose the unit from here and any other thing. These are general instructions. I can map them and etc. If we go on Newton Process, Extracted Document Review, you can review all your documents from here. Like if I choose, I can review my document, skip, exit, review, etc. If I go on AI Document Field Management, these are the document fields which we have added and on which the engine is being trained continuously. A user can also map its field and also unmatch all the fields. If I go and want to add another field and agent, I can also add that field from here, add its synonyms, etc. So this is all about Newton AI Doc and its processes. It also automates and integrates. So Newton Process AI, from documents to decision, from records to reports, empowering enterprise with intelligent automation.